Someone asks you a question, a simple question, three words. What do you do? In your language, you know exactly what to say. You have said it 100 times. But in English, the words feel strange, uncertain, like a shirt that does not fit yet. Your work is real. Your job is real. What you do every day, that is real and it matters. Today, we make sure you can say it in English clearly with confidence. Hello and welcome back to Soft English. This is video 7, and today we talk about something very personal, your work. Work is not just a job, work is how we spend our days, how we take care of our families, how we contribute to the world around us. And being able to talk about your work in English, that opens doors, real doors, new opportunities, new connections. So let us begin slowly as always. First, the question you will hear most: what do you do? What do you do? This means, what is your job? What is your work? And the answer, very simple. I work as a I work as a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work as a driver. I work as a farmer. I work as an engineer. I work as a businessman. Notice, I work as a for most jobs, but for jobs starting with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, we say N. I work as an engineer. I work as an accountant. I work as an artist. Small detail, but it sounds more natural. Now, your turn. What do you do? Say it. I work as a. Good. Say it again, a little more confidently this time. Now, what if you are not working right now? What if you are still studying? Simple. I am a student. I am a student. I am studying English. I am studying at university. I am learning a new skill. Being a student is also work, hard work, and it is always worth saying with pride. Now, the next sentence. Where do you work? I work at I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I work at a factory. I work at home. I work at a small shop. I work as a tells people what you do. I work at tells people where you do it. Together, they make a complete picture. I work as a nurse. I work at a hospital. I work as a teacher. I work at a primary school. Try your combination. I work as a I work at a Now something deeper, not just what you do, but how you feel about it. I like my job because I like my job because I help people. I like my job because I work with my hands. I like my job because every day is different. I like my job because it pays for my family. That last one. I like my job because it pays for my family. That is one of the most honest things a person can say. There is no shame in it. There is only love in it. And maybe your job is difficult. Maybe you do not love every moment. That is also honest. You can say, I do my job well. I do my job to take care of my family. I'm proud of what I do. Now, one more sentence. A beautiful one. My dream job is My dream job is to be a doctor. My dream job is to have my own business. My dream job is to teach children. My dream job is to travel and work. Dreams are important in any language, and saying your dream out loud, even in English, makes it a little more real. Say it, my dream job is. Now, let us put everything together. A full job introduction. Listen first. My name is Charlie. I work as a driver. I work at a transport company. I like my job because I meet many people every day. My dream job is to have my own taxi business one day. Now, your turn. Replace Charlie's words with yours. Start with I work as a. Did you say it? That was your work story. In English, 5 sentences, and suddenly someone, any country, can understand what you do, where you work, and what you dream of. That is not a small thing, that is a bridge. Before you go, your homework today. Write your job introduction in the comments. Just 3 sentences. I work as a. I work at a. I like my job because. If you are between jobs or still studying or searching for your path, write that too. I am a student. I am looking for work. I am building something new. All of those are true. All of those are welcome here. Next week, we talk about food. what you eat, what you love, how to describe taste in English, simple, warm, delicious. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up for your family, for your future, and for yourself. I will see you next week. Take care of yourself and go slowly always.